combined heat and power is an excellent way of saving energy, even in the future. And the nice thing is, even if you have a lot of renewables in the system, it can help you to create a lot more flexibility. Because when you create a system which makes heat as well as electricity, heat can easily be stored. Because storing heat in a big water container is not costing a lot of money. And the nice thing now, when you have a lot of sunshine and solar panels, and when you have a lot of wind, when the wind is blowing hard, when you have excess electricity from these renewable resources, you can turn it into heat when there is too much, store it temporarily in your cogeneration installation, your combined heat and power installation, and you create a lot more flexibility. So, and if you see the alternative of, say, installing extra storage equipment, such as batteries or such as hydropower storage with pumped hydro or compressed air, that's quite expensive because the utilization factor of this excess electricity is quite short. And with heat and with an electrical coil into the system of your cogeneration installation, you can very rapidly and very cheaply use excess electricity. So combined heat and power generation is not only saving energy, it's also helping renewables to be able to serve the community with electricity without the problem of having too much electricity in times of a lot of wind and a lot of sunshine. So I think for the next, say, 40 or 50 years, there will still be a great future for combined heat and power. Gas engines, gas turbines with heat recovery systems, and then at the same time an electrical coil to catch any excess electricity that will provide you a super system. And the cost of it will be very low. For many, many years now, say, the absolute costs of cogeneration installations have not increased. The technology has improved, reliability has improved, efficiency has improved, so it's a very good system. And I think, like, for the future, a combination of CHP, of cogeneration, with modern renewable systems will be the ideal combination. We will never be able to run completely without fossil fuels, but the best use of fossil fuels is made in a cogeneration installation. So for me, this is the future, an easy solution. Big power stations for base loads will no longer be needed, but what is needed in the future is flexibility, and flexibility can be offered by cogeneration installations. So for me, it's simple. Cogeneration with heat storage, electrical coils, cheap electrical coils to turn excess electricity from renewables into heat. Use the heat. People need heat anyhow. Often this is forgotten by politicians. We want our showers. We need steam for processes. We want to have nice and warm houses and offices. So heat is needed all the time, and what we have to do, we have to make a clever combination of heat production and electricity production, and then so the problems for the future are solved.